guys, look what I got in the mail today. It's finally here. This is a 4-to-1 header. I got it on Amazon for about 50 bucks. The only thing that I don't like about this header is the way they made it on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. See it popping up right there? This one, it's like all the way in there. This one's fucked up a little bit. So they're not perfectly aligned up with this hole. So I mean, I don't know why they made it like that, but other than that, these welds look okay. These ones, the only thing I didn't like also was this black right there. They couldn't clean it, I'm guessing. It's black in the corners, but it's not that big of a deal. So we'll go ahead and install this today. I'll give you some before and after shots and some pulls with it and without it. The bolts, the bracket to hold it on, and the new gasket. Alright, you guys, got everything ready. Gonna install the headers now. I'll go ahead and start it up and show you what it sounds like this. So there's the beginning. That's what it sounds like before the headers.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something.
That's right. Let's go. Yeah.
Alright, you guys, I went ahead and got the bottom bolts off. There they are right there. So now I just need to take this bolt off and this one and take it out.
Another cog in the scene. You feel the hope in this beat. Yeah, the hope that you need to proceed and be exactly what you want it to be. I feel right and I'm proud, hype and I'm loud. I'ma shout all about how I feel in the now. Ain't nobody ever gonna try to change me till I'm dead, pushing up daisies. I'm alone in the crowd, I won't feel down. I got hope right now, and I know I'll be found. I don't really care just what all of the haters gotta say. I know everything I do is gonna make them fade away, yeah.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something,
Look at that.
all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust
Cuts
me.
all over.
If you wanna be something,
Anyways, I got it off.
Yeah,
all you really need is hope.
take a look in the
There she
mirror.
is.
Are you seeing severe? You hear the voice in your ear. Can you start to see clear? Are the bad thoughts near? Or can you be where your feet are? Yeah, when you stand right here and say no. I'm never gonna give up, I'm never gonna slow. The one that doesn't give up,
Look at that.
loses to a foe. The one that can show to myself I could go all the way to the top, can't stop. I'm a soldier.
Well, this thing is still hot, so I'm gonna take off this O2 sensor and put the new one.
Moving forward, motor, never slower. Good to know ya. Don't go make me drop my shoulder. You need to believe you can achieve everything that you dream. Everything that you need is in the air that you breathe. It's in the mind that you feed. It's in the time that you bleed. Every second of life is another blessing to me.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something, yeah. Well, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me. If you wanna be something.
Alright,
Yeah.
sorry about that.
Let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna
Yeah.
show you guys the difference
Yeah.
between these
Leave
two.
when you're out. That's what you need when
That
you're
way you
sad.
guys
And
can
when you
really
feel
see
left out, you feel an energy drop, and it creeps out. But with a
difference.
little bit of hope, you can figure it out. Keep your head high, even when you're down inside. Through the pain you fight, through the painful nights, you keep striving, keep trying, keep driving, rising.
If you guys can see the difference.
Don't need nobody's help. You can make it through this hell. Take it one step at a time, one step as you climb. If you fail, you'll be fine. Get back up to the grind and never lose sight of your mission.
Look at the difference in these.
This life is a prison if you don't have vision.
Alright.
So win it, so get it.
We got
Don't miss
that.
it. Your chances
Got
now,
our
so
bolt.
be something somehow. Don't let yourself down.
Alright, I put the gasket on there.
All we really need is hope.
Let's see. Alright you guys, my camera stand broke, but I'm going to go ahead and just tightening up those two bolts, connect everything, tighten everything up, and I'll show you what it sounds like afterwards. Nice and smooth. Definitely deeper. Hope you guys enjoy, subscribe, like, and comment down below. Definitely way more power.